How to use parental control in Facebook. If you want to set up parental control on your child's device, then you need to follow the steps. Now, what you need is go to your Facebook account of your child's, open up the Facebook account of your child or the one where you want to set up a profile. Now, let's see, this is the one. So what next you want to do is you're on this section. Click on the initials from the top right corner of your screen and then click on the gear icon, or just go to settings and privacy and click on settings from the list. So now when you go to the settings section, you want to look for tools and resources. So simply scroll down and look for these options. So basically here it is, tools and resources. You want to go to family center, and when you click on the family center, you want to click on create invite, and after which you have to send this invitation to the person who is going to be your who's going to actually hold as a guardian. So click on share link, and next you just need to go ahead and enable the permissions. Just follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you could use parental control in Facebook. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.